how to install Open WebUI with bundled Ollama support. Hey guys, today I will show you how you can install Open WebUI with bundled Ollama support. But before we start, make sure you have Docker and Docker Compose installed on your system. If you don't, head to docker.com, download Docker Desktop for your OS and install it first. Also, make sure Git is installed because we'll need it to clone the repository. And make sure to pause the video when you're stuck with commands. So let's get started. Step 1. Clone the repository. Open your terminal or command prompt and first navigate to the folder where you want to install OpenWebUI. Then run this command. This will download all the setup files from the official GitHub repository. Once the download is done, move into the folder by typing. Step 2. Check the Docker Compose file. Inside this folder, you'll see a file called Docker Compose YAML. This file is like a blueprint for setting up OpenWebUI. It defines two services. Ollama, which is the AI engine that runs your models. It uses the Ollama or Ollama Docker image, saves its data in a special volume so nothing gets lost, and restarts automatically if it stops. Open WebUI, which is the web interface where you'll interact with Ollama. It's mapped to your local machine so you can open it in a browser on port 3001. The file also links the two together so the WebUI knows where to send model requests. Step 3. Start the services. To launch everything, run this command. The first time you do this, Docker will download the required images from the internet and build the containers. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. The D flag means the containers will run in the background so your terminal stays free. Step 4. Verify the services. Once Docker finishes building, type docker ps. You should see two containers, one for Ollama and one for OpenWebUI. Both should have a status like up with a running time. If one isn't running, check your terminal for any errors. It might mean Docker couldn't download something or your ports are in use. Step 5. Access OpenWebUI. Now open your browser and go to this link. Just copy it and paste it onto your browser. You should see the OpenWebUI dashboard. If it doesn't load, double check that Docker Desktop is running and that both containers are active. Step 6. Download a model. Ollama can run different AI models. To add one, go back to your terminal and run this command. This will download the Llama 2 model. You can replace Llama 2 with any other supported model. Once it's finished, refresh your WebUI and you'll see the model in the list. Step 7. Adjust settings. In the WebUI, click Settings. Here you can change model parameters, customize UI preferences, or configure the app to fit your workflow. Step 8. Manage permissions. If you're running this on a shared system or server, you can configure who has access to your WebUI and what permissions they have. Step 9. Troubleshooting common errors. If you get an error of internal server, it usually means you tried pulling a model that's not supported. In that case, try this command. This is a smaller model that works reliably. Now you've installed OpenWebUI with bundled Ollama support using Docker Compose. You can start experimenting with different AI models, build chat assistants, or run your own local AI tools without relying on the cloud. That's it, and thanks. I'll catch you all in the next video.